Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing memory status on recent apps screen in Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So let's start. So if I go to my recent apps screen, you can see the memory status is missing or not showing. So to show it, just open your settings app and then scroll down to home screen and then tap on it, and then scroll down at the very bottom and then tap on arrange items in recents, and on this screen you can see here we have show memory status, this option. So we have to enable it. So to enable it, you have to enable this toggle button next to it. So to enable this toggle button, just tap on it so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on it and you can see it's now enabled. And now if I go to my recent apps screen, you can see the memory status is showing. Okay, so it's now fixed. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.